Hello everyone, welcome to our first lecture of Stata. Basically, in our today lecture, we are going to discuss the overall Stata. What are these tools and and for which purpose they are being used. So, in today lecture, we are not going to apply any statistical tool, but we are interested to understand what all of these tabs are used for in Stata. So let's start with the begin with the first tab here, which is file. As everyone knows that from this file menu you can open, save as any of your created Stata file. And here in this file, the data file, it is data file is used for importing data from Excel file to EView Stata file. Like here, when you click on data editor, then you can also bring your data Stata by using one of these two options. If you click on data editor, then you have to simply copy paste your data from Excel, and if you want to bring your whole file here by this option of browsing, then you have to give the suggested folder in which you have pasted your data set, you are keeping your data set, then you have to go with this option. And the next tab is for graphics. In this tool you can make multiple graphs like bar chart, dot charts, pie chart, histogram. So this tab is used for making certain type of graphs. And the next tool, which is mostly used for applying or analysis of data set. These statistics also contain panel series tools, panel series test, and time series test as well. So whenever you want to apply any test, you have to go with this option. The second option for applying any test is using of command. If you are not interested, if you forget any command for any test, then you can use this option and you can do or you can apply any of these tests by your choice. So in our this course of Stata, we are mostly using this option, and we also write down command for us for remembering. As all of you know that remembering the command is a very difficult task, so we are interested by keep it simple as possible. So most of the time we are using this statistics for applying any Stata tool. As you can here see that time series. In time series you can see there are multiple tests available which we have or which we want to apply on our data set in order to get any type of result, any type of forecasting. And the next tool is also for use for graphics and statistics. And here you can see that here is a do file or the do file editor. Basically this tab or this window helps you to keep your commands safe as per your future use. So you can save all of your command here. So this tool will help you if you want to use your command in near future, or if if you forget your work and you work start again from initial level, then all commands can be saved here. So this tool is used for saving the commands. And here you can see that here is the option for data editor. As I mentioned earlier, if you want to bring your data, then you can change any numerical values. If you think that some values are wrong in your Excel files but you have already bring them here, then you can change then by clicking on this option of data editor. Okay, so now when we come here, as you can see that here it shows filter variable here. So when we bring our data into Stata file, all of our variable name will be listed here. So now and this side of the portion shows the command which you are typing, which you are doing, any analysis which you are doing. Here you have to write all of your command here, and here when you type your command here, all of the results will be appear on this screen here, and your all commands will be also available in this portion as well. So for example, I am writing any generic command, if either it is wrong or true. So let's do this. So as you can see that when I type this command, this is also available here. So whatever task you will do, they also appear on this side of the section, and any point of time you can click on this, and this command will keep you back on that command where you started it. So you can see all of your tasks here in this section of the stata file. So now let's bring a data here, and let's see how we can change the variable name when we bring data into stata file. So here I have my data in Excel file, so I am simply copying my all data from here. Now I bring here my data into stata file, so I have to click on data editor, then I have to simply paste my data here. So now as you can see that it is asking me to either you want to treat first row as variable name or data. We have to go with this option. The reason behind is that if we go with the option data, then we are unable to identify that which column is carrying our which variable. So if we go with this option, then first row will be treated as variable name. So now here you can see that here the first row is showing that this is my first variable, which is LNG. Second variable is GOV, GFCF and REM. So if we use the option which I had used, then the first row will be treated as your variable name. So here you can see that all of your data available here. Keep in mind that if any of your data set or any of your variable contain non-numeric digits, then you cannot run any result. So make sure that if there is any non-numeric values are in your variable, then you are not able to do, or you are not able to perform any statistics test here in stata. So here you can see that my also variable are label here. Okay, so now I am going back to the main stata file. Here you can see that my all variable are listed here. So if you want to change the name of your variable, keep in mind that stata does not allows you to use space between your variable names. As you can see that none of my variable have spaces in their name. So if you want to label, for example, this variable is LNG, and you want to insert the full form of this variable, so you can do by here right clicking. So here you can see that LNG is let's say log of government, for example, let's say. So here you can see that sorry, you have to go with this option. Okay, label log of government. So here you can see that now it is easier to understand that what does LNG stand for, log of government. Similarly you can do for all of these variables. You can label your variables by going here, and it might be possible that sometimes this option is locked, so you have to lock or unlock this option. Here you can see that no, it is locked. No, I am not able to type. As you can see that I am typing, but it is not allowing me to type. So you have to unlock this option. As you can see that now it is unlocked, and now I am able to, as you can see there, now I am able to type here. So this is all for today lecture. In our to next lecture we will do some analysis, and we also see that how to bring data from Excel to Stata by using browse option, or what are the different methods. So this is all for today lecture.